Tired of payment hassles online? Let's get your Sparkasse card linked to PayPal in just a few simple steps. First, open your PayPal app or go to the PayPal website and log into your account. This is where the magic begins, so make sure you have your Sparkasse card handy. Once you're logged in, look for the Wallet or Banks and Card section. It's usually located in the settings or main menu. Think of it as your digital purse, ready to add your Sparkasse card. Now, click on the Add a Card or Bank option. This will open a form where you can enter your Sparkasse card details. Carefully enter your Sparkasse card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Accuracy is key here. PayPal will now verify your card. This might involve a small temporary charge to your Sparkasse account. Don't worry, it will be refunded. You'll likely see a code in your Sparkasse statement. Find that PayPal verification code in your Sparkasse online banking statement. Then enter the code in PayPal to confirm your card. This proves you own the card. Congratulations! Your Sparkasse card is now linked to your PayPal account. You can now use it for online shopping and sending money with ease. Enjoy seamless online payments and fund transfers with the power of Sparkasse and PayPal combined. Now go conquer that online shopping list with confidence. #SPARKASSE PayPal #PayPal cards.